Predicting the future, according to Neville Goddard's philosophy, is deeply rooted in personal transformation. The establishment of organizations, be they educational, religious, or political, is insufficient in tackling the vastness of our challenges. The genesis of change is internal. How we view ourselves and our denial of personal truths significantly influences the fabric of our reality. This is the essence of our belief system, which is born out of our personal experiences. The biblical injunction to be transformed by the renewing of your mind, Romans 12 verse 2, is fundamental to this transformation. Our self-esteem is crucial. The realities we deny ourselves do not manifest in our environment. Introspection into our fundamental identity and self-concept is crucial. To bring forth a brighter, more splendid world, we must first recognize and affirm its existence within ourselves. My goal is to guide you to this awareness, highlighting that the shift must begin within, altering our perception of life to ascend to a higher state of being. Validating anything beyond our consciousness is pointless, as our perceptions shape our reality. The ideal we envision only becomes reality when we position ourselves as its creator. By attributing our circumstances to chance, we relinquish our power and the essence of true belief, neglecting our only path to redemption. True faith is born from deep convictions and personal experiences. It is meaningless if it doesn't bring about a sense of wholeness and peace, regardless of our circumstances. Spiritual understanding is distinct from intellectual knowledge, known through inner feeling rather than external analysis or evaluation. Whitehead described religion as one's private pursuit, and I argue that it is who one becomes in those silent moments of introspection. To realize our dreams, we must imagine ourselves as embodying our desires. In solitude, we use our imagination, living as if our goals have been achieved, thus transforming into the image of our ideal. Be renewed in the spirit of your mind, and put on the new self and speak truthfully to your neighbor. Ephesians 4 verses 23 to 25 suggest that this transformation stems from the renewal of thought, reflecting our inner beliefs. We are defined by our desires, not our actions. In quiet contemplation, realizing that I am my desires, we find fulfillment in being precisely that. Without inner transformation, external changes are ineffective. It's about cultivating our virtues rather than suppressing our desires. Old beliefs fade away only when replaced with enticing new ideals. The dreams of the future must become the current mindset of those seeking change. Therefore, the future is not a return to the past but a leap towards our desires, changing our future from the present moment. Focusing on the idea that internal rejuvenation is the starting point for realizing our ideals, it's essential to consider self-awareness and positive visualization as key strategies for effecting significant changes in our reality. Self-awareness prompts deep reflection on our beliefs, values, and how we see ourselves, allowing us to break down the barriers we've erected against our growth and the fulfillment of our potential. By deepening our understanding of ourselves and our goals, we initiate profound changes that resonate both within and without. Positive visualization, on the other hand, is a powerful method to actualize and energize our ideals. Picturing ourselves achieving our goals and living our desired life not only increases our motivation and confidence but also aligns our energy and consciousness with those objectives. Such alignment is crucial because the universe reflects the vibrations we emit. Imagining our success as already achieved encourages the universe to adjust our reality to match our vision. Moreover, practicing gratitude plays a significant role in this transformative journey. Gratitude enhances our overall well-being and happiness and elevates our vibration, attracting more of what we appreciate into our lives. Appreciating our current blessings prepares us to receive more, increasing our opportunities. Patience and persistence are vital virtues in achieving our goals. Transformation takes time and requires dedication, commitment, and a steadfast determination towards personal growth. We must face and overcome challenges, each serving as a lesson and a means to strengthen our determination further. Believing in ourselves and the process of transformation is crucial. Faith in our ability to manifest our ideals and live fully is the propellant for our endeavors, keeping us focused on our path, even during challenging times. My intention is to elevate your self-view, demonstrating how to adopt this new perspective of self. those lacking inspiration should revisit the fundamental principles of internal renewal. True freedom lies in the belief that we can create any reality, recognizing that our capacity for change is limited only by our selection from infinite possibilities. Our experiences are shaped by our deepest convictions. Transformation relies on our self-perception and the beliefs we internalize. Changing our self-concept is straightforward and entirely achievable. It involves acknowledging our true essence. Life invites us to cast off the old self and be reborn into our new reality, in alignment with divine purpose, allowing us to manifest our ideal and resolve internal conflicts. To further enhance the journey of internal regeneration and manifestation, it's crucial to explore the role of mindfulness and meditation practices in achieving heightened self-awareness and positive visualization. This aspect, not extensively covered in the original discourse, is vital for the process, emphasizing the importance of mindfulness and meditation in reaching a more profound state of self-awareness and positive visualization. Mindfulness, the art of remaining anchored in the present moment, fully immersed without judgment or distraction, emerges as a potent instrument in the pursuit of self-awareness. It empowers us to witness our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs from a distance, offering clarity and insight into our genuine aspirations and the restrictive beliefs that impede our progress. Embedding mindfulness into our daily practices fosters a fertile ground for positive visualization, undisturbed by the chaos and clutter of counterproductive thoughts and feelings. Meditation, paired with mindfulness, paves a route to delve into our consciousness, establishing a deep connection with our innermost selves. Through meditation, we access states beyond our routine experiences, unlocking a source of creativity, inspiration, and tranquility. This discipline not only bolsters our capacity for positive visualization but also fortifies our bond with the divine spark within, harmonizing our desires with a grander purpose and intent. Adding to the original discourse, the concept of emotional intelligence, EI, is indispensable. EI, the skill to comprehend and manage our emotions and to recognize and influence the emotions of others, is crucial in the manifestation journey. Elevated emotional intelligence leads to enhanced decision-making, enriched relationships, and increased resilience, all pivotal attributes in personal transformation. Cultivating our EI, we improve our ability to surmount challenges and obstacles, preserving our focus and balance as we strive towards our goals. The significance of community and collective intention is also paramount. While transformation originates internally, uniting with others of similar mindset can magnify our efforts, offering support, motivation, and accountability. Collective visualization, the act of conjuring a desired outcome as a group, leverages the strength of communal energy and intention, potentially expediting the manifestation process. Communities, be they physical or digital, provide a venue for sharing insights, learning from peers, and collective growth, reinforcing the idea that although our journey is individual, it need not be isolated. Furthermore, the importance of compassion and self-compassion in this transformative expedition is noteworthy. Compassion towards others cultivates a sense of connection and empathy, dismantling barriers and opening our hearts to the experiences and trials of others. Self-compassion entails treating ourselves with the same kindness, understanding, and forgiveness we would extend to a friend. It means recognizing our shared humanity, accepting our flaws and limitations without judgment, and being mindful of our inner critic. Practicing self-compassion can profoundly affect our capacity to welcome change, rebound from setbacks, and persevere against challenges. Moreover, the notion of synchronicity, or meaningful coincidences, acts as a beacon on the path of transformation. Attuning to synchronicities can offer guidance, affirmations, and insights, bolstering our belief in the interconnectedness of all entities and the alignment of our personal journey with a larger, divine scheme. These instances of connection, often overlooked as mere coincidences, can act as powerful affirmations of our advancement and the support that envelopes us, both visible and unseen. In summation, internal renewal and the realization of our ideals are intricately connected, demanding profound self-awareness, positive visualization, gratitude, patience, perseverance, and faith. By adhering to these principles and actively pursuing our objectives, we not only transform our own lives but also contribute to the creation of a better, more beautiful world for everyone. This is the legacy of Neville Goddard, a call to live in conscious alignment between our inner beings and our highest aspirations, a journey open to all. This critique addresses those who act without genuine belief, highlighting a discrepancy between appearance and reality. Authenticity, in harmony with living our ideals, surpasses deceit, compelling us to shed our former selves for spiritual renewal and alignment with true virtue, delineating the path to personal transformation and the fulfillment of our ideal future.